Italian rub under the skin. 3 coats of sauce own made on top. 1 whole chicken. Indirect cook at 150 Celsius. Apple wood smoke. 5 steps. Every temperature exact. First step. Use a kitchen torch on the skin. Burn off any feather residue. Clean surface. Better bark. Now trim. Remove excess skin flaps and visible fat. Clean shape means even cooking. The professional move. Lift the skin from the breast. Do not tear it. Apply the Mediterranean rub directly onto the meat. This is where the real flavor lives. Olive oil on the outer skin. Thin coat. This is the binder. It locks in the second rub. Apply the second rub on every surface. 2 layers of flavor inside and outside. Rest for 1 hour minimum. After 1 hour of rest, this chicken looks ready for the grill. But I skipped one important step. Can you guess what it is? Drop your answer in the comments. Set up for indirect cooking. Stabilize at 150 Celsius, 302 Fahrenheit. Load apple wood pellets. Apple gives sweet, delicate smoke. Place the chicken skin side up. Insert the probe into the deepest part of the breast. Close the lid, do not open it. Monitor the temperature. When the breast hits 55, 60 Celsius, flip the bird. Skin side down directly on the grate, 5 to 10 minutes. This renders the fat and crisps the surface. Flip back, skin side up. Apply the first coat of homemade BBQ sauce. Cover the entire surface, close the lid, wait a few minutes. Second coat. Then a third. Pull the chicken at 72 Celsius. Rest for 10 minutes. With carryover, the temperature reaches the target of 75 Celsius. Remember the step I skipped? Dry the skin. After 1 hour of rest, the salt pulls moisture to the surface. If you do not remove it, the skin will never crisp. Pat it dry with paper towels before it goes on the grill. Simple step, big difference. Did you get it right? Let me know in the comments. Now slice and serve. Italian BBQ. On a balcony. Exact technique. The right ingredients. The BBQ sauce recipe is in the next video. Subscribe. New cooks every week.